It'll show up better when you play it back.
He's like, no! Don't fall!
Learn to do that, couldn't he?
Easily. I've watched him play with his toys one time in Texas. I know he can do it.
I think I'm going to start looking for they've got schools to teach the heavy equipment, don't they?
Yeah.
Didn't you just go to a job site and they taught you and you just ran one?
I got tired of shoveling dirt with my hands.
Yeah, but they won't. With his disabilities, people don't want to hire him. Especially if they find out he has epilepsy.
Yeah.
What's that?
Seizures. But he's never had a grand mal. We've got excellent control with his meds. But I'll bet that would stop him from doing this. He can't ride in the big truck with Jerry because of it.
Really?
The company won't let him.
Oh, he had to get him a big scoop.
Yeah. I just had to find enough gravel to fill the hole.
I was going to say, how deep do you want that hole?
Or you could just like put some of it back in and smash it down then.
It'll be alright. We'll fix it.
You're the best, Jack. I just love you. This kid right now is in hoggy heaven. I promise
Yeah,
you.
he was taking pictures out on his phone, and then he took a picture of it 580E on the side.
Yes. And he'll go through and look at them. They're on his telephone, and he'll go through and look at them and look at them.
Well, if you could go get his phone from him, you could go up there and take pictures of him on it.
Well, so far I've got 7.5 minutes of digging. And I'll put it up on YouTube. You can watch it on the big TV at home. And he can watch it on, I can put it on his iPod. With the concentration on his face.
The hand-eye coordination it takes to do that. You're running 3 levers and 2 pedals to dig.
Yeah, remember when I was digging out that one tree, you told me to bring it towards us and I pushed it away?
And that's what he's doing right now?
Yeah. So he's got 3 levers he's got to run, and each foot is on a pedal.
That's playing all those video games all those years.
It pays off. It pays off someday. Yeah, that's what I said. If you could get his phone from him, you could like get him a screensaver, look him up close on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you're swinging like that, you push this lever down, like whichever side you want it to go to, you push that foot pedal down,
Yeah.
and it swings it. And then the middle one controls the big arm, the 2 side ones. Well, either one of them controls the bucket doing this, and then oh yeah, I forgot what the other one does.
But one's got to control the direction of the bucket.
That's the foot pedals. When it swings like
No,
that.
where it's a scoop.
That's what that one that I already said was. But if you go up there and look down on it, there's like 15 hydraulic lines.
I don't know how much more fun I can take. My hands are freezing.